Hi everybody, Linda Bradley from Princess House with more recipes using my new favorite toy, the Immersion Blender. We've been waiting for this to come out for such a long time and I've been going crazy with my recipes. I love it because it's so easy to use and it has so many different attachments. So tonight I'm going to use it to do soup. So right inside the pan, you're going to be able to use your immersion blender. And the advantage of that is that normally, if you have a soup like this that you're going to want to blend, you're gonna have to take hot ingredients, pour them in a blender, and that kind of is a recipe for disaster, especially around me. So the immersion blender can go directly in the pot. So I just want to show you what this is. So this is homemade tomato soup. Do you guys like tomato soup? My favorite. And then of course the question is, what do you eat with it? So it's grilled cheese or tuna fish sandwiches. Do you have potato chips? Do you dip? And oh my gosh, I posted recently that I did tomato soup, and more than one of my customers said that they have it with chocolate milk. Like, I never heard of that, but it's always something worth trying. So this is homemade tomato soup. You can see that it's chunky, all right? So this is basically what this recipe is, super easy. You take 4 tablespoons of butter and melt it in your pan. And then take a half of onion, just wedge it up because it's going to get emulsified anyhow. 1.5 cups of water, or if you prefer, you can use vegetable or chicken broth. A 28-ounce can of tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and then just a little bit of salt. And you're going to simmer it and cook it for 40 minutes. And that's it. But like I said, it's all chunky now, obviously, because of all of those tomatoes. And so now we're going to blend it. So this is the immersion blender. It's called a 4-in-1 because there are 4 different attachments that you can use. So this one here, I love this one. This one is, what do they call it? A food processor. So you can use this to chop your onions, your celery, nuts, anything like that. This one here is a masher. It's great for beans or mashed potatoes. Of course, we also have the whip, which is good for eggs, whipped cream. And it does come with the beaker, so you can use it for smoothies. I made whipped cream in it a little bit earlier. But now I'm gonna do it. And what happens is there's 4 different controls. There's 4 different, it's 400 watts. And there's 2 different buttons. The top button you push, and then there's an adjustable top, how you want it to go, or the bottom button is just turbo, and it just really goes fast. So once you put it in there, you just want to go up and down easily just around it, and you're going to see that it blends it up. So my microphone is right here, and I know that it will sound very loud, so you'll get the pleasure of not hearing me talk for a minute. So you're going to, can you see? Up and down, that's all you're doing. You can do it in spurts if you want. And then you can adjust the speed if you want. Until it gets to the consistency that you want. I do want to tell you that this is not for use in a non-stick pan, all right? Very important. As you do it, you can actually feel the strength, like the blender sucks it down. You can feel it, it pulls it down. And that's it, it's done. You can see, I hope you can see, that the whole, okay, I'm gonna make a mess. It's all nice and creamy now, no chunks. I didn't bring a spoon, so I can't taste it. It's gonna be too hot anyhow. But, so that's my new favorite toy, the Princess House Immersion Blender. So reach out to me, Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I'll help you get one. You can either buy it outright, you can take it on layaway, that's the easy way to get payments. You can host your own virtual party and get it free with your hostess credits. Hello, that's a great way to get it. Or if you're falling in love with all these Princess House pieces like I am, maybe you should join the company, join my team, because we get huge discounts on the products, and that's a great way to get them. All right, Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com. You know the drill. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a recipe. See you next time.